What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Torchic from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the beak. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a curve that goes up the middle and we'll bend that back down on the right. Let's add another curve on the side of the beak going out and then down. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve coming down and then back up. Now from the side of the beak, let's step in. Just going to curve this down and then in towards the middle. Go up on the right side. Now let's trace out the bottom of the beak along the inside. Let's place the eyes on the outside of the beak. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, we're going to draw an oval. Coming all the way down towards the bottom. And we'll pull that back up towards the top. Let's draw the same size oval over on the right side. So we'll start by lining up the top. Bring that down towards the same height. And then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top of each eye. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out. Let's curve this down. And I want to bend this in just underneath the beak. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. I'm going to come down, round up the head, and then pull that in. Now I want to draw the top of the head. Let's start back over on the left. Just going to round up the head, go up, and just pull that in towards the middle. And go all the way across, and then bring that down on the right side. Let's add those 3 large feathers on the top of the head. We'll start with the one in the middle and go all the way up towards the top of our page. Start with a point. And I'm going to curve the left side, going out, down, and then back in towards the middle. Go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Let's add 2 smaller ones on the side. Let's start on the bottom left, bend this up, and then bend that out toward the left. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to come down along the bottom, and then bend that back in toward the top of the head. Now I want to draw 3 smaller feathers along the bottom. Let's start with the one in the center. So we curve this around the left side, and then up the middle, and then go up on the right. Let's add one on the left side. And then the right. And now we're going to move down and draw on the wings. Let's start from the bottom of the head. We're going to step out, curve this down, and then out. Let's add a point along the bottom with a straight line going up. Curve this down and out. Let's bend this back up and in. And one last time, come down and out. Now I'm going to work our way along the outside of the wing. Starting on the left side, bend this up and in. Step down, bend this out and down, go up and in. Let's add another layer. Stepping down, go out, pull this up and in. Now we're going to add one more point, going out and across. And we'll bend this up and just tuck that in underneath the head. Now I tuck the lower edge of the body underneath the wings. Let's start on the left side, drawing a half circle, going down And leave a large gap in between the legs. We'll start on the left, bend this out, and then down towards the ankle on both sides. And we'll draw in the first toe, coming in and then down. Now from the tip of this claw, we're going to go up and out, and then bend that down. Let's add another toe, going up and then in. Now you want to layer 2 more claws on either side. So we step up, bend this out and down, go up and in. Let's do that one more time. Stepping up, go out and down. I'm just going to curve this up and bend that in towards the ankle. Now we're going to bend the outside of the leg coming in and then up underneath the body. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Torchic from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.